In this excerpt from the 5-hour video Pool's Biggest Secrets Revealed 3 Pattern Play, I'm going to show you a couple positional shots that come in handy every once in a while. So if you're ready, let's get started. In this situation, I'm playing 9-ball and I need to play a position for my next ball at the other end of the table. The problem is that there are several obstacle balls in the way blocking my path. If the cue ball isn't that far away from the object ball, you should be able to pocket the ball and hop over the obstacle balls. And we can do this with an elevated cue and striking down at the cue ball a little below center. Here's another situation where I have to jump over obstacle balls. I'm shooting the 4 ball and I have to get position on the 6 ball, but there are balls blocking my path. So to perform this shot, I'm going to elevate my cue about 45 degrees and aim just below center on the cue ball. The key is a slow and controlled backstroke and accelerating through the cue ball. And after you practice this shot for a while, it will start to become much easier. The trick is to make sure your backstroke is slow and that you complete it all the way. And when people jump balls, they tend to rush their shot and shorten their backstroke, which leads to inconsistency in their jumps. Also, take your time when you are aiming. Spend as much time aiming on this shot as you would on any other shot. And once you get good at this shot, you can even add a touch of spin to the shot to help you get to your position area. This shot does pop up every once in a while, so it's a good idea to have it in your bag of tricks. Here's another shot that comes up every once in a while, but it takes a little bit of practice to perfect. I'm playing 8-ball and I ended up straight in on the 1 ball. And this is the type of shot that works best when the cue ball and object ball are close together and the cue ball is near the rail. By striking the cue ball with center left with an elevated cue, the cue ball hops when it strikes the object ball and the left spin now pulls the cue ball toward the other end rail. In this layout, I'm straight in on the 4 ball, but my next ball, the 6 ball, is down at this end of the table, so position on it will be very difficult. This is another circumstance where you may want to try this shot, especially since the cue ball is near the rail. And when you shoot these shots, concentrate on a slow backstroke and make sure you complete your backstroke all the way. In this situation, I'm playing 8-ball and I'm on my last.